Hi, I'm Matt. Today we're going to look at the Kärcher B110 scrubber dryer. This machine has a 75 or 85 centimetre working head. On the back you have 110 litres of wastewater capacity, and on the front you have 110 litres of clean water capacity. The machine operates a cylindrical brush system with two counter-rotating cylindrical brushes. On the rear end we have a suction bar for collection of all the wastewater and a very easy dial for controlling the machine up here. So down here, easy access for the brushes, so they pull out and slide out like so. No tools required. That then sits back in place nice and easily like that. Behind the brushes we have a debris tray for collection of waste debris on the floor. So down here we have easy removal and storage of the suction bar for cleaning. So on the back end here we have access to the battery bay with your onboard charger inside as well. Over here we have the control panel for machine functions, then we have the LED display for showing battery level and water level. Down here we have controls for direction of the machine, warning signal for operators, and then you have the emergency stop on this side over here.